Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a complete backup now so nothing is left behind. Connect the old phone to Wi-Fi and power, then open Settings and run the cloud backup for photos, contacts, messages, and app data. If you prefer local, connect to a PC and create a full device backup. Note where the file is stored. Once the backup completes, make sure you know the account credentials and backup timestamp. This saves time and avoids incomplete transfers later. You now transfer the backup to the new phone using the method that fits your ecosystem. For device-to-device transfer, place phones close and follow prompts. For cloud restore, sign into the same account on the new device and choose the recent backup. Make sure the SIM is transferred or eSIM activated. Copy over Authenticator app codes by using export/import or setup backup codes. Once apps reinstall, allow time to sync media and maintain network connectivity until all items show restored. You finish by verifying the essentials. Open contacts, photos, messages, and critical apps to confirm data integrity. Once satisfied, sign out and factory reset the old phone or remove account access for security. Update two-factor settings if you moved authentication. If something is missing, make sure the backup timestamp matches what you expected, then retry restoring from cloud or the PC backup. If issues persist, check for encrypted backups, requiring a password and retry with the correct passphrase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.